Now, I'm a singer, Lou's a writer, but in all honesty, neither of us can take real credit for this song. I trust that it was born in the spirit to which this intensive was meant, as a form of gratitude, an expression of joy to the two of you for putting together such an amazing event and for giving all of us the opportunity to meet and exchange our knowledge and our love and support to each other, which has been invaluable.
I'd just like to say that this was a really wonderful experience. We were sitting in one of the classes and she handed me a note and said, let's write a song in honor of the 20th anniversary. And I was like so floored that she came back with my lyrics and with a fully recorded song within a couple hours. Extraordinary talent, just like many of you out there, but all because of Johnny and Andy. So we thank you today on the 20th anniversary.
Where we are one, singing sacred sound in the sun, chanting on the mountain high, join our tribe for all our life. Sing to me, sing to you, in every breath, in all we do, flowing in, washing through, heal the world, sounding true. Where we are one, singing sacred sound in the sun, chanting on the mountain high, join our tribe for all our lives. Sing through me, sing through you, in every breath, in all we do, flowing in, washing through, heal the world, sounding true.
So I guess it's just a really good fit with all of us. And that's what makes it so magical, so wonderful. We are indeed in tune. And this has been a spectacular, I don't know where to go, what to say. I'm once again rarely without some sort of humorous thing to say that is correct, but just thank you, each and every one of you. Thank you.
Where we are one, singing sacred sound in the sun, chanting on the mountain high, join our tribe for all our lives. Where we are one, singing sacred sound in the sun, chanting on the mountain high, join our tribe for all our lives. Where we are one, singing sacred sound in the sun, chanting on the mountain high, join our tribe for all our lives. Where we are one, singing sacred sound in the sun, chanting on the mountain high, join our tribe for all our lives. Slow it down. Join our tribe for all our lives. Join our tribe for all our lives. Join our tribe for all our lives.
To our beloved Sunrise Ranch family, in honor of your truly magnificent and loving service to the Healing Sounds Intensive for these past almost 20 years. 19, I think it counts, to call it 20. We are blessed beyond, and our hearts are filled with gratitude for each and every member of the Sunrise Ranch community, both past and present. We send you all our deepest appreciation and thanks, along with many blessings of love and light through sound. Thank you from Andy and Jonathan. So, these are your flowers.
Yeah.
So,